everybody, my name is Anayah and today I'm going to share another one of my mom's secret recipes. Today's recipe is delicious Italian risotto with chicken and mushroom. Watch this video till the very end and you'll find out the secret, which it won't be anymore. Let's get started. So now let's take a look at the ingredients. The first ingredient is 500 grams of chicken, 400 grams of arborio rice, 1 chopped medium onion, cheese as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 cup of whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cubes of chicken stock. These are very salty, so we're adding a little less salt than we usually do. And we have chopped chives, 1 tablespoon. Finally, we have 400 grams of mushrooms because my family absolutely loves mushrooms. Come on, let's start cooking. Preheat a pan and pour the oil into it. Then saute the chicken with the oil. We have to cook the chicken fully. When the chicken is this color, we have to pour in both the peppers, mix it, cook it properly. Now you have to add the salt. When the chicken is cooked, take it out of the pan and set it aside. We have to keep the oil in the pan and then pour in our onion and we have to pour in our garlic. Let it cook until it's soft. When the onion is nice and soft, add in the arborio rice and warm it up. We won't add the water until it's nice and warm. You can tell if the rice are ready by their color. If the rice are white, that means they are not warmed. If they are a brownish transparent color, that means they are definitely warm. At this stage, we're going to gradually add the water that we have. There needs to be at least a little bit of water before we add more water to it. Now we are going to add the chicken stock cubes. And we have to mix it until they dissolve. If you don't have chicken stock cubes, you can use Vegeta. We have to put in about 3 cups of hot water into it. You can also add artichoke or asparagus, but we like chicken and mushrooms risotto, so we're only adding chicken and mushroom. Now we are going to add the 400 grams of mushrooms. Mix it well. Next we add the chopped chives. Now that the water has evaporated a bit more, we are going to add the cream, mix it well. Cook it. The chicken. So the rice are nice and soft now. So now we are going to add the cheese. We're going to mix it. You can already see the cheese has melted and it's already stretchy. Finally, we finish it off with the butter. The risotto is finally ready, and now we are going to serve it. The risotto is ready. We served it out with basil and parmesan to garnish. And it looks super delicious and I can't wait to try it. Oh, it smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. Let's do it now. It's super cheesy, super creamy, and super risotto-y. So, I hope this turns out a good dinner for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like to this video, and share these videos with your friends. I'm gonna finish this, but for now, bye!